known as LVDT, nothing but linear variable differential transformer. Its basic principle means it simply converts linear motion into electrical signal. It mainly used in industrial and scientific applications. It is also known as inductive transducer, nothing but it is used to convert non-electrical signal to electrical signal. Okay, it mainly used in computer manufacturing, robotics, avionics, and machine tools. It is also known as linear variable displacement sensor to measure displacement. It's basically of three types. First one is AC, another one DC, another one is miniature. AC means we are giving a simple AC input voltage. It operates on principle of electromagnetic induction. Whereas DC, nothing but DC input voltage, it having limited applications. Whereas the miniature means it's small in size, small in length, it is highly precise. Okay, at a time these LVDT are mainly used to detect or analyze the old buildings and structures. Okay, this is a basic known as LVDT. How the LVDT look like, we further go on discuss. How the LVDT look like? It simply look like a transformer, nothing but it's a primary winding. We are applying a AC source to it. This is a primary winding. And we are having a secondary winding. And in between we are simply placing a iron core. Okay, it's works on principle of Faraday law of electromagnetic radiation. Nothing but a primary at primary they are applying a AC voltage so that a magnetic flux has been induced a electromotive force to secondary winding. At secondary windings, they are used to provide two voltages E1 and E2. Therefore, the output voltage can be written as E0 is equal to E1 minus E2. Depending on core, we are having three cases: case 1, case 2, another one is case 3. In this, when the iron core of LVDT moves towards S1, the EMF of S1, induced EMF of S1 will be more than that of S2, so that the net differential voltage E0 is positive, so that the output voltage is in phase with the input AC voltage. This is about first case. As in second case, we are applying null deflection so that the EMF of both E1 and E2, the net differential voltage is 0. When we are taking the case when iron core is moves towards S2, nothing but LVDT moves towards S2, the induced EMF of S2 will be greater than that of S1. The net differential voltage E0 is negative. The output voltage is out of phase with the input. This is about three cases what we studied about in construction of an LVDT. After that, it mainly used in basic but different applications. That let us see. Nothing but LVDT means linear variable transformer. Nothing but it's having specifications, various specifications. That is linearity, resolution, sensitivity, electrical output, and temperature range. Whereas in its framing advantages, nothing but low hysteresis, high output, low power consumption, low electrical output. Whereas its disadvantages means it mainly affected by variations or due to temperature. Okay, whereas it mainly used in different applications. Nothing but aircraft, automobiles, whereas satellite hydraulic, whereas it is used to monitor in particular power systems. Nothing but whereas turbines are nothing but generators, or it is used in a geotechnical side, that is used to monitor structures, whereas it may be monitor ships, underwater conditions also. Nothing but it mainly used to measure physical quantities, that is force, tension, weight, pressure, etc. Okay, entire LVDT is works on principle of magnetic induction, whereas its operating voltage is 5 to 12 volts, whereas its operating frequency is nothing but 40 to 400 Hz. Okay, we first go on and reading this LVDT. Okay.